Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can find a word in Google Docs. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.docs.google.com. So once you do this, you will end up in the official site of Google Docs. So from here, you need to simply select a project of your preference and start working on it. So once you have opened your project, all you need to do is click on the Ctrl F button if you are using Windows, or click on the Command F button if you are working on the MacBook. So if you press the keys, you can find this Find in Document option where you can simply type in a word and this will help you locate where the words are. So this is how you find a word on Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.